What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video. So in today's video, we're going to look at how to invest $100 in Stockpile. I've done a video about investing your first $100 using Robinhood app. I'm going to put everything about this series, Investing for Beginners, in a playlist. So check out here and check out that playlist so you can see exactly the topic that we've covered so far. So today, we're going to use another app. Again, like I said, it's called Stockpile. And this app is really awesome. The reason I love this app is that commission is only 99 cents per trade, which is not so bad if you compare it to TD Ameritrade or Scottrade or Scottrade is gone, not anymore. But stuff like E-Trade and all these other platforms, they charge you about $7 per trade. So that's one of the reasons I love Stockpile. Reason number two is that Stockpile allows you to buy fractions of shares. So if you take, for instance, Amazon is trading at $1,600. It means you need $1,600 to buy one share of Amazon. But what if you want a little piece of Amazon, right? What do? So if you have just $100 or $50 or $10 or $25 and you want a little bit of Amazon, you can buy that on Stockpile. They actually give you a fraction of it. So that's one of the two reasons why I really love this app. So at the end of the video, I want you to stay because I'm going to give a huge giveaway. I'm going to do a huge giveaway, so you don't want to miss that. So definitely stay to the end of the video. So hey, let's head over to my computer. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to invest your first $100 using Stockpile. Let's do it. Just go to stockpile.com. This is what's going to look like right here. So if you click on the link in the description on Stockpile, you sign up, you're going to get $5 free stock to start with, which is awesome. So you don't really have to put any money down, and signing up is free, which is also sweet. So if you just click on the sign up button here and sign up. Otherwise, for me I already have an account. So I'm going to just go ahead and log in here real quick. So I'm gonna click login, and so once I get into my account, then I'm gonna walk you guys around and show you. So in here, here's my account, and the good thing about a Stockpile is that you can have multiple accounts within this one account. What do I mean by that? So if you have kids, so in my case, I have two kids. So if you look here on the left side, there's two other accounts. So you have me in the top, and then two for my two sons. So that's Valentine Jr. and Zayden. So those are the accounts. And so I'm the custodian of the account and manage it. And as soon as they get mature to the point where they can take control of it, then I can hand it over to them and they can have full control. Anyway, so here's what my account looks like. And so these are the stocks that I currently invest in. Not a whole lot. It's just $290. And so, but I mean, for people that are starting out, this would be ideal for you to be able to use this platform. Once you get in here, here's what you want to do. If you go to transfer cash, so he's going to ask you if you want to send cash to your bank or you want to get cash from your bank. In your case, if you're starting out, you want to get cash from your bank. Then we click continue. What's going to do is so right here, I have mine hooked up with my Wells Fargo debit card. And so you can also go here and say, okay, I want to link a new debit card. So if you click that link, that new debit card, and then you link your information. Once you have it linked, then you can enter the amount. So in your case, you want $100. If you say transfer cash, notice that the transfer fee is free. But if you use a credit card, they're going to charge you a transfer fee. I don't know the exact amount because I've never used it. So that's what they're going to charge you. So if I say not now, so I didn't want to do that because I don't want to transfer any money now. But pretty much that's the way you do it. So once you have your money in there, so this is your home page. Now you come down here, you can say I want to buy stocks, and so that's going to come up. And one thing I love about this interface, did I click? Yep, there we go. The one thing I like about this interface is that, see, they have the stocks organized in trending, most active, top gainers, top losers, tech, cars, sports, fashion, gaming. So they kind of simplify it for you. So entertainment, restaurants, which I really like, money, shopping, which is good. So this is a good way to do it. Otherwise, you can just search up here. So let's say we want Sprint. So here's Sprint, and Sprint is currently trading at $6.16. So if you want to buy Sprint, so you can put $25, or if you don't want to do $25.50, you can specify the exact amount that you want in that particular, to buy that particular stock. So again, what I would advise is that don't just go take your $100 and go buy one company. Break it down. So in this case, I usually would keep it under companies under $10 per share. So find companies that are under $10. So for instance, Spring is a good company. There's Pandora. That's under $10. There's Chesapeake Energy, that's under $10. There's a bunch of companies under $10 that you can invest in. So pick at least, I'll say at least 3 or 4 of those, and maybe do $25 each. And the reason why I want you to do 3 or 4 is because that would allow you to do enough research. I don't know if that makes sense. Because you're going to be researching 3 or 4 companies, so he's going to do more research as opposed to if you just buy one and think that's it. And then so you're going to be watching those 3 or 4 different stocks and understanding the market. And again, if you want to make it even more challenging to yourself, buy it in different sectors. So find one that's in retail, find one that's in tech, find one that's in utility, find one that's like in energy. So find the different sectors, and you're going to make you research about those different sectors, and you improve your knowledge, and your overall investment skills would grow faster. So that's what I would do. So in your case, once you have you pick the let's say $25, you buy the stock, it's going to show up here. So let me go back again, my home page. So it's going to show up here. Once the transaction is complete, it's going to show up here, and then so you come in every day, you can monitor it and see how you do it. So that is the simple steps in which you can actually invest $100. Again, I'll advise that take your $100, break it into 4, maybe buy 4 separate stocks for $25. And the good thing about this Stockpile is that you can buy fractions of shares, so you don't have to buy the whole thing. So you can own a piece of Amazon. The most important thing here is not that you're gonna make millions of dollars with your $100. Is that you're gonna be educated and have more knowledge so that you can invest 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 without any fear, because you know you've done your homework. So there you go, guys. That's how you can easily invest $100 in the stock market. Again, like I said, at the end of the video, I was gonna do a huge giveaway. So if you want to invest in Stockpile, like I said, click on the link in the description below. You're gonna get at least $5 worth of free stocks, and then on top of that, let me see, I'm gonna be giving away at least $2 worth of stocks to the first 8 people that would comment below and like and comment below this video. So first 8 people to sign up with Stockpile, like and comment on this video, will get $2 each from me. So that would definitely help you with your investing. So I have some Disney stocks here. Let's see, which option again do we have? We have some Apple stocks. You get $2 worth of Apple stocks. So those are Netflix, $2 worth of Netflix stocks. Where are the Apple stocks? $2 worth of Apple stocks. So there's 8 total here. So first 8 people would get $2 worth of either Apple, Netflix, or Disney stocks. And I'll send that to you once you leave your comment below, you like and leave your comment below. So definitely don't miss out on a great opportunity. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section. Again, investing is not magic. It's very simple. Start small and then grow, and start early. Don't wait until you're 50 and you want to invest $1 million. Start investing $1 today, so by the time you're 50, you've got compounded interest over the years. So which is a very school of thought when it comes to investing. And as always, stay motivated.